Automotive dealers. Are you struggling to establish consistency and accountability across your stores? Do you want shorter sales cycles, higher margins, and a scalable way to help managers motivate teams better? Introducing Onboardian. We help auto dealers accelerate growth and revenue by simplifying how they onboard, train, coach, connect, and communicate at scale. Recruiting and retaining top talent requires a clear growth strategy. Our automated onboarding ramps up new hires faster and helps create the inclusive culture that you need. Centralize resources, communicate immediately, and grow rapidly. Onboardian is the first real-life situational learning platform with built-in accountability.
I've seen them grow more in the last couple months by doing the testing than probably what I would have been able to provide as a one-on-one.
Microstructured learning makes it easier to develop consistently. We shorten learning curves through our real-life situational role-playing.
I don't know of another training program out there that has role play inside of it.
This is the only way your team can practice real-life situations before facing them.
What?
We help accelerate performance and build the critical skill sets, such as situational recognition, understanding body language, tonality, and strengthen the soft skills lacking today. It's an environment for sales teams to build confidence and ultimately prepares teams better. Managers become more effective and more efficient through our Coach from Anywhere capability. Increasing a manager's ability to impact at scale creates buy-in motivation and drives productivity. No more slowing your business down to develop your people. Train and coach from anywhere, anytime, accessed at your fingertips. Onboardian was built for auto leaders by auto leaders. We're a partner with dealership expertise. We help you uncover your roadblocks. We customize your solution and offer the most innovative technology to help you implement and execute at scale. Forget recession-proof. We help you own your market. If you want the fastest and easiest way to gain the competitive advantage, go to www.onboardian.com and schedule a call today.